A mouse, cause I'm an albatross.
Hello students, welcome to my next video. Today we are going to solve question number 8 of page number 248. In today's problem there is a special case about when one partner become insolvent. Okay, so Sitaram, Gangaram and Rajaram are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 4:2:3. 1st April 2019, they agreed to dissolve the partnership. Their balance sheet was as follows. You have to see what is given to you. Your balance sheet is given to you and some assets are given to you. Now remember here, cash in hand is also given to you and cash at bank is also given to you. So when both the balances are given to you, so you will be preparing cash at bank, as it is given the instruction also, show realization account, bank account and capital account of the partners. So in that case, what you will do, whatever cash you have in hand whatever cash you have in hand, that you will deposit in the bank account. Okay, so now we will see how to solve the sum. So the columns for this, so the columns, if you see the column, we have to prepare realization account, then you have to prepare partners capital account. There are 3 partners, so 3 partners are there. We have to prepare partners capital account, then we have to prepare bank account. As bank balance is given to you, we have to prepare bank account. So the 3 accounts we have to prepare. The first one is realization account, then you have partners capital account, then you have bank account. Okay, so now we'll start posting. Our first step is we have to transfer all the assets to the realization account. To transfer all assets to realization account, debit side, so we write here to sundry assets, underline it, building 55,000, machinery 25,000, furniture 12,000, investment 15,000, bills receivable 3,500, sundry debtors 21,000, stock 28,000. Add up this, you will be getting 1,59,500, 1,59,500. Then you have cash in hand. Cash in hand you will deposit in the bank account. So cash you are depositing in the bank account. So the journal entry will be bank account debit to cash account. When you are depositing the cash into the bank, the journal entry will be bank is a receiver, so bank account debited to cash account. So bank account के डेबिट में लिखो टू कैश, एक लाइन छोड़ो बिकॉज पहले ओपनिंग बैलेंस आएगा, टू कैश अकाउंट, द अमाउंट इज 5,500. Then you have bank account, so we write here to balance brought down 2,000 rupees, to balance brought down 2,000 rupees. Come to the liabilities, we have capital, opening balance of Sitaram, Gangaram and Rajaram. It is the opening balance. So partners capital account credit side, by balance brought down, Sitaram 65,000, Gangaram 45,000 and Rajaram 7,000. Reserve fund, you have reserve fund is also there, and profit and loss account is also there. So we have to distribute it among the partners in the ratio 4:2:3. See the ratio is 4:2:3. So total ratio 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, now we distribute reserve fund. Your reserve fund amount is 18,000. So distribute among this all the three partners. So 18,000 into 4 by 9, 18,000 into 2 by 9, 18,000 into 3 by 9. You are distributing this 18,000, that is a reserve fund, among all the three partners. So 9 ones are 9 twos are 18. So 2,000 into 4 will give you 8,000. 2,000 into 2 will give you 4,000. 2,000 into 3 will give you 6,000. You add up this, you will be getting 18,000. So reserve fund, it is an income for the partners. So we write in the partners capital account credit side. Write in the partners capital account credit side, reserve fund account 8,000, 4,000 and 6,000. Then you have profit and loss account. Profit and loss account is 5,400. So profit and loss account 5,400 into 4 upon 9, 5,400 into 2 upon 9, 5,400 into 3 upon 9. So 9 6 are 54. 9 6 is 54. Then 600 into 4, 2,400. 600 into 2, 1,200. 600 into 3 is 1,800. So on adding this, you will be getting 5,400. So this you will distribute among the partners. So in partners capital account credit side, by partners capital account credit side, by profit and loss account 2,400, 1,200, 1,800. Then loan from Tukaram. Now loan from Tukaram is a outside person. It is a kind of a loan. It is a outside liability. Outside liability you will transfer in the realization account credit side by sundry liabilities. Loan from Tukaram 10,000. Sundry creditors 12,000. Bills payable 4,600. So you will be getting 26,600. 26,600. Now we come for the adjustment. The assets realized, building, machinery, furniture. So assets were realized. So what is the journal entry? पैसा आएगा. Bank account debited to realization account. Bank account debited to realization account. Bank is debited. So बैंक के डेबिट में लिखो पैसा आ रहा है. बैंक के डेबिट में लिखो to realization account. और रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड में बाय बैंक अकाउंट. रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड में लिखो बाय बैंक अकाउंट. सो जो भी एसेट्स उसका डिटेल्स लिखो. बिल्डिंग 46,750. मशीनरी 18,550. Furniture 9,600. Investment 10,650. Bill receivable and debtors rupees 20,750. So it is total given. So bill receivable and debtors, it is 20,750. Building 46,750. Machinery 18,550. Furniture 9,600. Investment 10,650. Bill receivable and debtors together you are getting 20,750. So on adding this to 9, 10, 14, 20, 26, 33, 9, 10, 17, 26, 6, 7, 8, 10. 1,06,300. So 1,06,300. All the liabilities were paid off. All the liabilities were paid off. Liabilities are paid off. So what is the journal entry? Realization account debit to bank account. All the liabilities are paid off. So realization account debited to bank account. रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट के डेबिट में लिखो टू बैंक अकाउंट, अंडरलाइन इट, लोन फ्रॉम तुकाराम, sundry creditors, bills payable 10,000, 12,000, 4,600, 26,600. Second effect, bank account credit side. By realization account 26,600. By realization account 26,600. The cost of realization was rupees 800. So when the business was winding up, that time some expenses were income. Those expenses are called as realization expenses. So realization expenses were incurred. So the same journal entries we are going to follow. Realization account debited to bank account. So realization account debited to bank account. In bracket you write realization expense. So the amount is, realization expense amount is 800 rupees. Second effect, in bank account credit side, by realization account, this is amount is 800 rupees. Now Rajaram becomes bankrupt. Rajaram becomes bankrupt. Rajaram become bankrupt, and 1,100 only was recovered from his estate. यानी राजाराम इज डिक्लेयर इंसॉल्वेंट, उसके पास से सिर्फ 1,100 मिला है राजाराम से. तो हम क्या एंट्री पास करेंगे? पैसा आया है, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू राजाराम, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू राजाराम कैपिटल अकाउंट, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू राजाराम कैपिटल अकाउंट. सो बैंक के डेबिट साइड में लिखो टू राजाराम कैपिटल अकाउंट, टू राजाराम कैपिटल अकाउंट 1,100. And the second effect will be partners capital account credit side by bank account. By bank account in Rajaram's column you read 1,100 rupees. Okay. So now our all postings are over, adjustments we have done. Now we have to close the account. Now when the partners is becoming insolvent, we have to do some kind of adjustment also, but this adjustment you will be able to do only when you close a realization account. So now first step, you have to close the realization account. So we have to close the realization account. So total the debit side, total the credit side. So on closing the account, the total of debit side comes to 1,86,900 and the total of credit side is 1,32,900. So debit side is more, so write the debit side amount on both the side. Now from 1,86,900 subtract 1,32,900, you will be getting 54,000. This 54,000 you have to distribute it among all the three partners. On distributing in this way, 54,000 into 4 upon 9, 54,000 into 2 upon 9, 54,000 into 3 upon 9, you will be getting 24,000, 12,000 and 18,000. So I'll be writing here 24,000, 12,000, 18,000. And the second effect, in partners capital account debit side, you write here realization account. In bracket you write loss. It is 24,000, 12,000 and 18,000. So now we have to close the account. Close the account. Now first you will have to close Rajaram's account. Okay, so Rajaram's account we have to close as he is becoming insolvent. So now if you see Rajaram's debit side column is 18,000. Okay, now you total the credit side. 7 plus 6, 13, 14, 15, 15,900. So for Rajaram, you can see for Rajaram the debit column is 18,000 and the credit column is how much it is? 7, 6, 13, 13, 14, 15, 15,900. 15,900. 15,900. So now on subtracting this, you will be getting 2,100. Okay. So now this 2,100 is nothing but deficiency. This 2,100 is nothing but deficiency, because you know that capital account always shows a credit balance. Credit balance का मतलब क्या होता है? Credit side is heavier. But here you see राजाराम का डेबिट साइड ज़्यादा है, तो यानी इसका जो क्रेडिट साइड कम है, इसका मतलब क्रेडिट साइड में डेफिशिएंसी है. ये जो डेफिशिएंसी है, जो भी उसके अकाउंट में जो कमी है, दैट विल बी बोर्न बाय द सॉल्वेंट पार्टनर, दैट इज सीताराम एंड गंगाराम. सो हम लोग ये 2,100 जो है सीताराम से और गंगाराम से लेंगे. सीताराम से और गंगाराम से लेंगे, क्योंकि राजाराम बिकेम इंसॉल्वेंट. सो 2,100 into 4 upon 6, 2,100 into 2 upon 6. Okay, the deficiency is 2,100. The deficiency is 2,100. 2,100 multiplied by 4 upon 6, 2,100 multiplied by 2 upon 6. तो 6 कैसे मिला? क्योंकि हम लोग सिर्फ शेयर किसको कर रहे हैं? वी आर शेयरिंग टू सीताराम एंड गंगाराम. सो देयरफॉर 4 plus 2 is 6. So 2,100 into 4 upon 6, 2,100 into 2 upon 6. So you cancel this one, you will be getting 6 3s are 18, 6 the remaining is 30, 6 5s are 30, 0. So you will be getting 350 into 4, you will be getting 1,400. And remaining, so remaining will be how much it is? If you, this is 350. 350 into 2, you will be getting 700 rupees. So this deficiency, you can see on the credit side there is a deficiency. Credit side में कितना कम है? 2,100 है. तो 2,100 जो है 2,100 जो है it will be shared by Sitaram. So we write here by Sitaram capital account, which is 1,400, by Gangaram's capital account, which is 700 rupees. Okay, now this is in the Rajaram's column. The same amount will be given in Sitaram's column also, because इसको receive हो रहा है तो इसके पास से जा रहा है. So we write here to Rajaram's account, capital account, which is 1,400 and 700. Remember this, The amount is adjusted in the Rajaram's column as well as in the Sitaram's column. सीताराम और गंगाराम कॉलम के डेबिट में और राजाराम कॉलम के क्रेडिट में. तो अभी आप इसको टोटल करोगे तो ये टैली हो जाएगा. ओके. So now we will close the Sitaram's column. Sitaram's credit side total is 75,400. Debit side total, that is 24,000 plus 1,400. You will be getting 25,400. So 75,400 minus 25,400, you will be getting 50,000. Similar way, Gangaram's total of credit side 45,000 plus 4,000 plus 1,200. You will be getting 50,200. 50,200 minus 12,000 minus 700, you will be getting 37,500. This difference will be transferred to bank account. So in the bank account credit side, by Sitaram capital account, by Gangaram capital account 37,500. Then if you total the debit side and total the credit side, you will be getting same total on both the side. Okay.